Hey, what is going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel. Today it's another Saturday.
Yep.
It's release day of these joints right here, and I'm gonna be honest with y'all. We gonna go take a look at them. I did an early review, but we ain't trying to pick these up.
Nope.
We are on our way to the mall. I say we, like, oh, baby boy, baby girl, wifey in the house, but we are on our way because I want to look at these joints right here. I want to see if they sitting. I heard today shipments are delayed. They actually are not in the stores right now. But if they are, we want to take a look at them because, yeah, I want these to hit the swoosh and I want to add these to the collection. Y'all really ain't been feeling Hirachis at all when it comes to these shoes, but this is a PE. This is a necessity. This is an absolute must for me to add to the collection, but I want to get it for the low. But y'all hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that hype button. Let's get off into this mall. Let's see what's sitting around. Let's go. All right, so up in Foot Locker, this right here, these are it, bro. Super joints, you know what I'm saying? Super clean. But based off of the fact that you have those Hirachis here, those Hirachis here, these are probably gonna sit as well. I don't see the 2K4, the Kobe's here anymore, but those is marked down so much. But depending on the area, I'm pretty sure you can find them. But yeah, these are sitting up in here, bro. What y'all think about these? Quality on them looks real good. Not a bad sneaker at all. Got the 10 on the booty. Yeah, I definitely would be adding these, but the price tag, oh, they ain't got the price tag on that one. Price tag, $200. Boy, I think that's gonna deter a lot of people away from it. These grippies right here, a lot of people do like these, you know what I'm saying? Got some details on them. I hope the camera's picking it up. It's like a Swingman logo or whatever all the way on there. Just another one, but again, this is gonna be something that's gonna be sitting around, not actually selling out, to be honest with you. The John Morant Nike basketball, it's kind of died down a little bit, as you guys can see. We have a lot of stuff sitting here. All the John Morants and stuff like that. These, I don't remember these, seeing anything about these, but now I think it's getting to the point where Ja 3s, we kind of just like, it is what it is. But these Kobe's are the Kobe's that did drop. The Hot Punch or whatever ones, the Kobe 3s. What y'all think about these? Y'all like these? Y'all don't like these? I just feel like when it comes to the Kobe 3s, they're kind of giving us colorways that we really don't mess with. It's already a hard enough a silhouette trying for us to sell it anyway, just because of aesthetically. A lot of people don't like this, but yeah, this one, nah. Just another colorway that's gonna sit on the shelf. All right, so JD Sport, we do have these here, as you guys can see. These are outlet bound. I think I said in my last video that these are not on the grade school, but these are man size as well. So man size right here. Retail for the man size is $230. Sheesh, bro, for these, man. But I'm pretty sure they got a lot of sizes here. Still got the True Blues up in here. These, like, they've been tried on a lot. Got these 3s that still sitting up in here. Father's Day joints, Easter joints, got 9s. A lot of stuff sitting around in the stores. 11 lows, they still up in here, and they do got sizes, bro. These lows down to $125, not bad. You could probably get them a little bit cheaper, but these are tough. I ain't even gonna lie, those are pretty tough. And then these are still one. I mean, I know y'all don't like Jordan 1s, but these are some ones that I will be adding to my collection. Probably be able to get them for like $60 eventually. So I'll just wait. All right, so DTLR. You know what I'm saying? DTLR is going to be a place that's gonna have like all your Kobe's and stuff like that. There's gonna be sitting around up in here, as you guys can see. Fade to black joints. They're gonna have every diamond turf you can think of, whether they got your size or not. If you still looking to try to get them at a store, this is the place to go to. I know a lot of you guys have been asking about these. They do have these here. So if you got a DTLR anywhere in your area, man, this is the place to be. Foams is the same way, as you guys can see. Boom. Foams are pretty much available, man. All right, Jordans is gonna be pretty much the same thing. Still got the Flight Club 4s up in here. You know what I'm saying? Levi's. Feel me? That's a big old size, bro.
Hey, yo.
Sheesh, so that's probably the last one. But then we also have, look at this, man. Got this Travis Scott joint. And hey, this one kind of threw me for a loop. I'm Manir? What? Come on, man. What are we doing in DTLR, bro? Hey, look, man. 11.5, y'all see it right here. DTLR. Look, DTLR. You know, 11.5 in the Almamineers. They got sizes here. Cause I know what y'all gonna say. Look, 11.5 trainer. Look at this, bro. On the shelf. This ain't online. Like I'm here, y'all. All right, y'all, that is a wrap, man. Some good stuff sitting in my mall, man. Like I said, if you're in the Brandon, Florida area, man, make sure y'all tap in. Kind of dark. Hold on, let me see. All right, here we go. Now I'm bright. You know what I'm saying? Well, I ain't bright, but bright. Yeah, whatever. Anyway, tap in to Brandon Mall, Brandon, Florida. DTLR got some bangers. Let me know what's around in y'all areas. You feel what I'm saying? Let me know what's sitting around. I think it's going to be pretty consistent when it comes to the Jordans, to be honest with you. I just think they're going to be available. Huaraches, they're going to be available. Pretty much anything over the 180 mark might be available in your area, in my humble opinion. It's just the way the times is right now. But that's all I got for y'all. Y'all know the sayings, man. Rock with you like I was hype. Remember everything we talk about. Just bake. Wait for me to share my faith. I'm going to catch y'all next one. Peace.
If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got